What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King 2 Crazy, and I'm back with another video. But today we are doing an unboxing video. We're doing an unboxing video to show you the stuff I got at Walmart because the finishing clip that actually supposed to be going to Best Buy. Excuse me, but the finishing clip that I supposed to be adding, my computer won't let me add it to it for some reason. It let me add every other video and clip that I did besides that one. Alright, I have to make sure it's goddamn recording. But yeah. So we just about to get into it. We're gonna try to
start off my day with a blunt to the face, grab my strap, then I gotta say grace. If I don't got nobody, I still got somebody. I know I get call on my ace. Clean up after myself when I catch me a body.
Okay, first up on my list is the little, hold on, let me focus. Is the little tripod stand. Gorillapod or whatever. It shows that it could be flexible different ways and things like that. Let me see, hold on, let me hold the camera with my other hand. It shows, yeah, like see, so it's able to bend different screws and things like that. So this is gonna be the first thing we're gonna open up before we get to the secondary thing that we about to get to.
Converse with the manager when I walk inside the bank, yeah. Who would ever think they was?
The fuck is this one? Alright. Here we go, right here. First, let me switch my hands. Here you go with alright, here you go right here. So we got 3 little legs that you stand up on. This you attach it to the camera. Matter of fact, I'm gonna attach it right now to see if it fit. Oh yeah, we lit. I don't want to break it on my first try. Alright, let me see. Tie it on tight. Alright, so basically this how it be. It be looking. You can bend it. It's holding up it's pretty strong actually. It ain't really nothing too flashy about it or anything. It's a little small little stand. Actually the perfect size that I've been, willing to do things on. Alright, so that's about to be said about this. I'm about to actually fix this up and I'm gonna show y'all the mic. Oh shit. Alright, now the second thing on the list that we bought from Best Buy is this VideoMicro camera. I mean mic. I said camera. I meant mic. Pray to God it worked for my shit. But you see right here, I guess it comes with one of these little things. I don't really say too much in the back. It just say the mic quality and things like that. It got a lot of Japanese on it. Alright, they say it come with a 2-year warranty. No battery required. Compact size. I guess a little stand to go with it. So let's just open this.
Go, y'all with $500,000 on me. R&B's just like I possess. All these diamonds on my chest. Sleeping on the floor and make my heart colder. They try to make it hard for me, I never fall up. Gotta say I'm good on it.
And it comes with this. I don't know what the hell this is actually. Oh, this the mic actually. Okay. So the covering just on the mic. Let me see, can I pull it out? I don't know. All right. This is the mic right here. And this just slide into the little thing for like the stop wind and shit like that. This little stand that go into it. Oh no, my shit don't got no jack. Mic jack. Oh yeah, dude, hold on. No, the fuck you don't. I may have to return this piece of shit. But that's all it is. I'm about to just put it together for y'all. Fuzz it. Damn, how the fuck this bitch go on? I don't want to break it. This one's trying not to do. Alright, and let's go inside of here. Just like that. That's all it is to it. Bro, this is alright. Alright, so it turns out that the mic for my camera, it don't really go to my camera, but I'm gonna keep it anyway because of the simple fact I might need it when I actually upgrade my camera anyway. But the stand for my camera is perfect. I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect for it. So the stand, alright. I get a stand 5 out of 5. The mic, we don't know because other simple facts. Make sure it's focused because I can't even see my goddamn screen. The mic, the mic. I'm not gonna give it any ratings right now because I don't really know how it really is or anything. But the stand get 5 out of 5 for sure. The mic, it seems alright. You feel me? It ain't too much. Turn this to the side. It ain't really too much about it. You got this to block the wind and things, and different type of stuff. So I just try to find to see if it's one I look online, see if it's one that can fit my camera. But until then, I'll catch up with y'all. This video will be dropping today. I'm about to go edit it right now. But I do still need, I don't need a cameraman anymore. Somebody already said it, so I will be paying somebody to be my cameraman already. I posted all on Instagram. I posted it on my Snapchat. If y'all don't follow me on Snapchat, please go follow me right now at Lava Shooter. LAVA Shooter. SHOOTER. No space in that. Please do not put no space. It's all together, one word, capital L for Lava Shooter. Shit, ain't really. I'm gonna do more collabs with different YouTubers because it's different type of YouTubers in Cincinnati who do the same thing as me. It's just you gotta go with the flow, bro. It ain't too many it ain't no big people like DDG or anything, or not even DDG's, like just no big YouTubers at all. They just small time. getting a grind on, trying to become the best YouTuber, or one of the best. And I'm on a grind with them. Shit, go another video, unboxing video. There's some bullshit, cause I'm salty that the mic did not work, or it didn't attach to my shit. So I'll be alright. But yeah, just please like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all think. What more videos do y'all want to see on the channel? Should I play the game more? I don't know, because I haven't really been playing the game. I haven't really been playing none of the games lately. So please like, subscribe, comment down below. It's your boy King 2 Crazy. One more time. It's your boy King 2 Crazy. And I'm out, man. Please like, subscribe, comment down below with your... Damn, I forgot what the fuck please like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all think about the videos. What videos do y'all want to see on the channel? Shit, it ain't... Share with your mothers, your aunties, uncles, daddies, brothers, sisters, step brothers, step uncles, everything. Share with your family, your grandma, your mother, everybody. We trying to get to 400 subscribers. The grind do not stop. Please like, subscribe, comment. Welcome to the nation if y'all new. Shit, and it's your boy King 2 Crazy. I love that outro, but I'm gone, man. Let's get it.
Start off my day with a blunt to the face, grab my strap, then I gotta say grace. If I don't got nobody, I still got somebody, I know I get call on my ace. Clean up after myself when I catch me a body.